The jacket water heater plays a crucial role in keeping your generator engine at the right temperature, especially during cold starts. Over time, sediment, rust, and scale can build up inside the heater, reducing its efficiency and potentially causing uneven heating of the engine. Take a look at the next part to show the dirt coming out of the jacket heater. If left uncleaned, these deposits can lead to poor circulation, overheating, or even damage to engine components. Regular cleaning ensures that the heater warms the coolant effectively, promotes even engine temperature, and helps prevent corrosion and long-term wear.
One hour later.
By keeping the jacket water heater clean, we not only improve engine performance and reliability but also extend the life of the generator and avoid costly repairs down the line. Final inspection.